Judges ready, opponents ready. My time will start now. First, going on the defense of the rebuttal, they said that the AI will produce 97 million new jobs. However, they did not say how much is taken by AI, and we do not know if they took more than 97 million or smaller than 97 million jobs. You haven't proved that, opponent, because if there's more than 97 million jobs that is taken, your point doesn't stand. And then if you say something about we not having a link of unemployment creating starvation, however, what I'm saying here is that we do have a link. Think of it. Unemployment rates can mean that a lot of people won't have a job, meaning that they will not have a salary. Say you're a normal person, you need the money to buy the food, and this is something you need money for. Without the money, you'll not have the food and therefore starvation. If you're a farmer, you need some money for the machines, like electricity and the seeds. If you don't have money, you're going to starve. On either way, I have explanation. Their point of rebuttal does not stand. He said AI can reduce the deaths of civilians in the war in Syria also. However, what I say here is that AI would not reduce the deaths of civilians during the war. Libya's drones have a significance that killed 2 people without anyone giving them the command. The March 2020 attack was in Libya and perpetrated by a Kagru 2 quadcopter drone produced by Turkish military tech company STM. During a conflict between Libyan government forces and breakaway military faction led by Khalifa Haftar, commander of the Libyan National Army, the Star reports adding the Kagru 2 is fitted with an explosive charge and the drone can be directed at the target in a kamikaze attack, detonating on impact. The drone were operating at a highly effective autonomous model that would require no human control. Another point is that drones are easily hacked, and if they're hacked, they will turn around and shoot at their own people. Think about it. People can hack the fleet of drones, and only a few soldiers in the entire army might be the betrayal. Is one gun more powerful, or is a fleet of AI more powerful? This is the impact, and we should weigh on this point. You see, the amount of carbon emissions is not a lie. Here is the evidence to why it matters. There is an estimated amount of 2.7 million robots now. Our evidence is 300 kilograms of CO2 produced every month per robot. That would be a total of roughly 10 million tons of CO2, raising the temperature by 1.74 degrees Celsius per year. That would be already half a degree into the climate change sensitive temperature raise area. If this continues every year like this, it is estimated that 2050 is the year that winter's coldest temperature is 21 degrees Celsius. That is the impact, and this isn't valid and useful information. The data and the calculation above are supported by the following paragraph of the sciencesurreal.com. We can estimate the potential temperature increase using a metric called equivalent CO2 concentration. We'll consider the warming potential of other greenhouse gases in addition to CO2. One widely used estimate is that 1 ppm part per million increased equivalent CO2 concentration will result in the warming of approximately 0.01 to 0.02 degrees Celsius. This is the most precise calculation and cannot be wrong. We definitely outweigh on this point. Now back to our own structure and defense. So our condition 1 is unemployment, and we have said that AI is more productive. We gave the data of 2035 and that AI would give up a 40% chance of unemployment. And we also said that AI will take off 1 billion jobs and create only 275 million, leaving more than 500 million people in poverty and no jobs. And their condition is the mental AI control, and they do have a self-control. However, we're saying that the development is virtual inequality. The rich will be richer, the poor will be poor. Our last condition is the electricity cost, which is roughly $300,000 for one AI model. That would be a lot of money. Let's say roughly $10 million per year annually for one robot, and that will be a lot of cost, and therefore the environmental and the economic situations will be worse. And then we also say about the carbon footprint in 300 kg of emissions, and with the evidence we have already stated, and that this will outweigh. So judge, please vote for us on the ballot, and we negate. Thank you.